Hi everyone, welcome to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast, your go-to platform for efficient project management. BitBlast offers two powerful dashboards, the admin dashboard and the user dashboard. In this video, we will focus on the user dashboard. The user dashboard is your personalized space for seamless project engagement and collaboration. The user dashboard empowers users to contribute actively to project management, enabling the creation and management of clusters and the initiation of new projects. As a user, accessing BitBlast dashboard is straightforward. Simply log in with your authorized credentials, secure username and password. This ensures a secure entry protecting your project-related information within the BitBlast platform. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.